Hi, I'm Kelly, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you 4 easy fudges for Christmas. I am using this and giving it away as gifts. On some of the footage, on my Galaxy one I've lost a bit of the footage, but it's exactly the same method on all of these, just using different ingredients. So we start off with 400 grams of just cheap chocolate of your choice. This one's going to be a mint aero. So I've then got 2 bars, but I have taken this off to put on the top later. And we're just going to put it all in. And then you're just going to get your can of sweetened condensed milk, pop that on, and that is literally it. You stick it in the microwave at 30-second intervals until it is all melted. That's literally it. And then try and get your milk in there without tipping everywhere. And I have found this makes the perfect consistency for fudge. So 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's all melted. As you can see, it's already starting to stiffen up. So I'm just putting it in a lined tray with baking paper. All I've done is flattened it out with a bit of greaseproof paper, and that bit I showed you earlier, what was left over, we're just going to sprinkle all over till I've just crushed it up. Perfect. And again, I'm just going to flatten that in so it goes into it. Done. This time we're going to start off with Biscoff fudge. So I've got 400 grams of white chocolate, I've got a can of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm going to pop these in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time until it's all nicely melted and combined. Once you're happy with that, it took me 2.5 minutes to get that melted. You pop in 185 grams of Biscoff spread, or more if you like it. And then once you've got it all in there, you just give it a really good mix till it's all really nicely combined. You can feel it starting to stiffen up already. Right, once you're happy with that, get your lined tray, pour it in and spread it out so it's even. I'm just going to get another piece of paper and just spread it out evenly with my hand. Be careful because it is hot. channel. And then I've just got 2 biscuits that I just broke up, and I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top. Again, I'm just going to lightly push it down so it gets into the fudge. And that's it. As easy as that. Pop it in the fridge till it's nice and set, and then we'll come back and we'll chop it up once it's done. For this one, we're making just Galaxy chocolate fudge. I've got 400 grams of Galaxy chocolate, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, hang on baby, and then again 1 can of condensed milk. And same as before, we're just going to pop it in the microwave 30-second intervals until it's all nice and melted, and that is literally it for this one. You just stick it in the container, I pop it in the fridge 3 to 4 hours, and it will be done. For the Galaxy fudge, I've just placed a slice of Galaxy on it, roughly a square. That's ready to go in the fridge now, and again I will show you what it looks like. The next one we're going to make is Terry chocolate orange fudge. This is what 2 of the fudge looks like. I've still got the chocolate orange one to do. And to present them, because we're giving them as gifts, I put a bit of parchment paper in this little box, and I put the Galaxy one in there. I'm going to cover that over with another piece of parchment paper and just put in some pieces of the Biscoff. If you're going to make any of this fudge, I would recommend the Biscoff. Oh my god, it is so good. And then I'll just add another piece in, ready for once I've done the chocolate orange one, which I will show you tomorrow. Right, now I'm going to make the Terry chocolate orange fudge. I've got 400 grams of chocolate of your choice, and then I'm going to add in a whole Terry chocolate orange. And we're going to do exactly the same process as on the other 2. Condensed milk and bung it in the microwave 30-second intervals until it is all melted. Take out the paper. Right, that was in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And then I'm just going to put that in the dish. It smells absolutely gorgeous with the Terry chocolate orange in there. This one's going to stay in my fridge overnight now because it's getting late and I need to go sort kiddos out. But once it's done, all I'm going to do is chop it up like I did with the others and add it into my fudge boxes. And give them out as gifts. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.